Oh, what's up, YouTube? Hey, Twitch. What up, D Live? What's going on? Facebook and LinkedIn? I don't know why I would even bother with Kick. And Truvio, what's up, guys? I think that's it. Yep. I'm planning on adding uh what is the TikToks and the Wickwalks later, but let's just figure out how to do horizontal streaming first, right? Here we go. So I'm going to take you a quick tour of my latest distro that I've been trying out. Been doing a bit of distro hopping as of late. Not quite satisfied with. I don't like to settle, so there's that. Um, so this is the latest distro. It's called Regata OS, and I'm just gonna start up Steam. I do have some other. Oh, here we go. Here's the website. It's a Brazilian flair of Open Suzy, so that's fun. A little bit different than Arch in a couple of ways. I can take advantage of my GPU, which is nice, and this is what sold me right here. Like if you're advertising uh DaVinci Resolve out of the box experience, yeah, sign me up. So I have been messing around with it for a while. The only thing I really don't like is the default app store. Yeah, I'll open it up. See how many things we could open. Yeah, let me close Chrome. Uh, so yeah, I did open the app store. It's taking a while, but I am recording and doing a couple other things in the background. So this is the store. I do like how simple and easy it is to use. What I think is kind of limiting, like shouldn't there be like a click all button? But no, these are your options. You can install things through the terminal, and that works just fine. And a couple other methods you can use as well. If you don't like the Regata OS store, there are other options. But you would think, yeah, I'm just gonna go in here and install DaVinci Resolve with one click. Uh, oh, maybe, but usually I'd get an error here. But maybe it'll work, and I'll have two instances of DaVinci Resolve. Oh wow, wow, error. Okay, just making sure. Yeah, so not everything works perfect. But as you see, I did get DaVinci Resolve installed using the installer method off their website. And I'll just show you that booting up real quick. Not real quick because it's DaVinci Resolve, but reasonable time actually. Not that bad. Let's close the store. That's all I really wanted to show you, that you couldn't install DaVinci Resolve like it was advertised on their website. And you're just gonna run into an error. But you can install it. It does work. Um, oh, geez, I have to do this again. I don't even see my GPU now. I might have to come back to this one. Don't ask me when I'm creating. All right. Yeah, I'm gonna come back to that one. I have to. For some reason, the graphics driver isn't talking to DaVinci Resolve anymore. I don't know what I did wrong here. Um, but yeah, let's start up Steam. Let's see how long this bad boy takes to load. Let's see if I can go into DaVinci Resolve the other way here. It's so weird. I probably have to uninstall it and reinstall it because it's not reading my of course it's not reading my graphics card now. I forgot what I had to do here. Yeah, I'll have to Google it later. Give it a quick Google. So yeah, if you're distro dropping and you don't know resources, AI can help you out a lot, and so can Google. Um, they have like some like little fix for in some application in some that was Nobara has a little fix for DaVinci Resolve. I think I installed an installer to install this one. Let me see. It might not be just showing up here though. So yeah, I got my XP pen tablet working on here. That's always nice to have. Um, but the star of the show is definitely like the gaming portion of it. Oh man, I opened up on the wrong desktop. Oh, give me a second here. Will that fix it? I don't know. There is a way to do this. There we go. Yeah, okay. So, yeah, these games are actually on a Windows partition. It's hit or miss with like the way this is working or there. But let's try a couple. It might just be fail, but we'll see. So yeah, these games are installed on a Windows partition, and I'm just showing the partition to Linux and seeing if it actually runs things here. But yeah, that's some flexibility, and I'm probably pretty sure I could get my Windows apps running the same way, do the same process. Um, some of these games are uh, from a different Windows hard drive and has Epic Games installed on it. So yeah, it's all pretty easy and pretty set up. Uh, I'm not seeing this one first time booting, so I probably should have pre-booted. Anyways, yeah, when it's working, it's great though. What else could I show you? This thing's downloading stuff and updating. There's my music and video suite. Light Lightworks is actually surprisingly good on Linux. I haven't really messed around too much with it, but I think I signed up for a month trial, but it's pretty good. There's some other really pretty fun apps. This one's fun, the Reaper. And the oh. Did we actually boot? It looks like we booted. I don't know where my controller is though. So that was no install on the Linux side of things. I just installed Steam and told it where to look for the Steam folders, if that makes any sense. Just linking the games from the Windows partition. And you do have fails when it needs um anti-cheat. I can install anti-cheat on here through Wine, but it just doesn't work the way it should for now. I'm sure later on the line it'll just be a button you can click, like, oh yeah, enable anti cheat. Anti cheats are Linux's biggest hurdle right now, as far as gaming online and whatnot. I'm able to get into Sky just fine. There's my little character in Sky. Let's get out of here. I don't even know what my controller is. All right. So yeah, video games, they work. Um, Video editing software, hit or miss sometimes on this one. I got the full Windows suite for Office and all that, and three different app stores. I know that's overkill, but I got um, Ubuntu's App Center, and I installed what did I? There was just one program I installed with that. Where is it? Oh, I don't. I uninstalled, I guess. But Picasa. Oh, there we are in graphics. Picasa, and I installed it just to get this fail error. I didn't know this. It's just gonna bring up a website like saying, "Oh, sorry, we don't like Picasa anymore." And it's so yeah, installed that one. Discover. So I got because I didn't really like this app store. I thought it was a little limiting. And there's also other little app stores in here. Since it's using um OpenSUSE, you can also install apps through the app manager. That one we have to give access to. And yeah. All right. No, that's gonna conclude my little tour of my current OS. Thanks for watching. If you did. Okay. Pizza.